Beautiful sunset in Cebu City. It's on the top of the roof. Beautiful sunset in Cebu City. Yeah. Ah, rumaan laguro ga.
What are you thinking, mate?
I'm just looking down. There's so much cars and traffic.
Yeah.
That's the number one problem in Cebu. Traffic.
It's traffic anywhere.
You're gonna drive there on Saturday.
You will learn how to drive on Saturday.
I don't know about what is that?
You're going to the driving school.
No, Saturday, Friday morning.
Oh, Friday morning.
Diba, ne? Friday morning, ne?
Oh, today is what? Wednesday?
Wednesday. One day more.
Oh, wow. I need to study too.
Yes.
Oh, gosh. It's nice, right? Beautiful view.
Is Manila more developed than Cebu?
It's just a little bit busy. Manila is more crowded than Cebu. Are you done with your team?
Yeah. I was running 15. You can see the near the speed limit from 1 to 20.
Be ready because I need must splash your water.
It would be nice if they have like a beatbox so we can listen to music.
What?
No, like they have a sound box and just put it in.
Oh, hi. Come on, ikaw magtito. Ano ito?
Den sing-sing. Neng! Den sing-sing mo. Alinte. Wow! Kaigo gigali kay nining yakwan hayo sing-sing ni amang.
Pinilin sa'yo, Papa.
Ate
Ano mo, boy?
ate ho.
Idea niyo.
Kaigo, abi. Kaigo kita na kay nanay ni ining gali taraya sing-sing ni papang ha. Oo, boss agad. Ay,
Siya ko nunoy.
Kaigo, galit na kanimo ning. Oh, wow. Ate, inubos sige na nining nga sing-sing papang kaigo ka na. Hindi ito na kigo knaka mo. Oh God. Apat-apat. Apat-apat. Oh my God.
Ano tanabi sa dikro ta kay igo.
Teo. Oh, igo kita na kanimo sing-sing papang.
Bisa niya igo kanda tanan. Putang niya mo man.
Igo man, oh. Oh, te. Oh my God. Tapos, gid. Oh, ay, gigali kaluwas kay Maria Corazon, ah. Oh, God. God. Oh, boss, ginining sing-sing papang, eh. Ah? Ama mo ginakaway-kaway na sing-sing na?
Hindi ako do kuno makaway-kaway kananda.
Oh, te. Sadya lamang ah. No, swimming is a good exercise too na Inday Pai. Yeah. Oh, te, kita mo. Tapos, gid. Pego mo. Ahay. I know, right? Beautiful. It's a beautiful sunset in Cebu City. Yeah.
Bali papang ano ni manako amo gid pa.
Oh my God. Yeah. So you got everything? Yeah. Yeah, I know. No, ini na kaigo kay iida gamay alima ni.
Sa masahe tan nagdra.
Yeah. I know. It's a beautiful view. Oh, Nana, do not langga because otherwise you're gonna, you're gonna fall down over there. That's so scary. Stay where you are. Stay where you are, langga. Stay where you are. You can't. Otherwise, we are on the top floor. We are on a... Nanay Nining swimming like a frog. See? Swim like a frog. Yeah. No, if I swim, I got the crumbs. Crumping. Hindi. Exercise. No, hold on to the side, Dai, and kick, Dai. It's a good exercise. Plus, Nanay Nining Kwan. Plus, the last video. Last video. Oh God, that is so fun. Okay, see you guys. Bye.